guys, welcome to my channel Soumya's Book Station. I'm Soumya. If you like my videos, please like and share them and subscribe to my channel. So guys, today is 19th of May and today is the birthday of one of my favorite authors, Ruskin Bond, and a very happy birthday to him. Well, I have read a fair few books by Ruskin Bond, but I feel that there are so many more books that Ruskin Bond has written that I haven't read. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 books by Ruskin Bond that I want to read as soon as possible. So let's get started. Under the Deodars by Ruskin Bond, this is a collection of short stories which are murder mysteries. There is this elderly lady named Miss Ripley Bean. She, along with her dog and a few friends, try to solve the murders that take place. And well, I have not read any murder mystery by Ruskin Bond, and I am very much fond of his writing style, so I would love to read how he writes a murder mystery, and this is a book that I've heard great things about, so that's why I want to read it. Falling in Love Again, Stories of Love and Romance. This again is a collection of short stories by Ruskin Bond, and this book covers various aspects of love, from its joy to heartbreak, and every aspect that he has experienced or maybe he knows about love he has tried to cover in his stories, and that's what I've heard about it. And well, it's been some time since I read a good love story, so why not read a love story by one of my favorite authors. Next book is Ghost Stories from the Raj by Ruskin Bond. I think you can tell by the name only that it is a collection of short stories about ghosts from British era. Well, it's a collection of 19 short stories, and they kind of shed a light on the perspective of British soldiers and officers on the topic of ghost stories. And what I've heard about this is that some stories are believable, some are humorous, and some are just like pure sheer imagination. And well, I have not read a lot of ghost stories again, so why not? Love Among the Bookshelves by Ruskin Bond. This is a part anthology and part memoir of Ruskin Bond's life, and in this book he talks about the books that he grew up reading. Basically, we as readers get to know about Ruskin Bond through the books that he talks about, the ones that he read, and he kind of revisits some old and forgotten classics. So yeah, it's going to be wonderful to read. I think reading a book that is about books. Tales of Fosterganj by Ruskin Bond. This is a story about a remote village located in Mussoorie. It's called Fosterganj. A writer from Delhi lands up in this village by chance, but initially he gets annoyed with this village and its people, so he tries to stay away from them, but he stays in the village nevertheless because he still feels that it's interesting. And soon he realizes that every person in that village has a story behind himself, and he comes across a lot of eccentric people. There's a hardworking baker, there's a bank manager, there's a drunkard. So basically, getting to know these people, he kind of gets into a lot of adventures himself, and this sounds like a very good story because I've heard it has a climax in the end, and that is what is making me want to read it. Our Trees Still Grow in Dhera by Ruskin Bond. This again is a collection of short stories. Now my reason for wanting to read this particular book is pretty simple. I just finished another book by Ruskin Bond. It's called The Night Train at Deoli, and this book is also a collection of short stories. So from what I have read in the description of Our Trees Still Grow in Dhera, it sounds like a similar kind of a book with the similar feel and vibe, and I must tell you that I just love The Night Train at Deoli and other short stories, so that's why I have a very strong feeling that I'm going to love Our Trees Still Grow in Dhera, and that's why I want to read it. Maharani by Ruskin Bond. This is a story about a widow of the Maharaja of Mastipur. She is beautiful, she is spoiled, she lives with her dog and her caretaker. Now Ruskin Bond is her friend, and he does not approve of her way of living, but he is not able to cut himself off from her. So this story has Ruskin Bond also, and it's his friendship with this Maharani and her highness actually. So this sounds like a story that I have not read. Actually, I'm not sure what this story sounds like. I even have this book right now with me. It's on my bookshelf, lying unread, waiting to be read. And I think out of all the books that I talked about, I am going to read this book the first, though I've talked about it the last. So guys, this was my list of 7 books that I want to read by Ruskin Bond. Do let me know which books do you want to read by Ruskin Bond. If you haven't read any book by Ruskin Bond, I strongly recommend that you go ahead and pick up any book by him because he's a wonderful writer, and I am very thankful as a reader that his books are there so that people like me can read and enjoy and get lost in the magic and charm that his books provide. And once again, a very happy birthday to one of my favorite authors. So guys, this was it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to connect with me on my social media, then the links are in the description box. I'll be back with my next video super soon. Bye!